So in this week's video, I want to share with you a topic that's been coming up a lot lately for me personally and for all my coaching clients, for many of my coaching clients. And it's around freedom. It's all about freedom. What is freedom? And I've looked at hundreds and hundreds of accounting processes. And what's freedom to one person is like a total hell to another. Like, so for example, some accounting firms, like they just love to do bookkeeping. They like to do the bookkeeping. They're a cloud accounting bookkeeping firm and they do all the bookkeeping and they love it. They just love that stuff. Personally, I can't stand it. Like I have no interest in doing bookkeeping. It needs to be done. Business owners need it. We need the bookkeeping to be done to get to what I think is the decision-making process. But I didn't get my professional designation to become a bookkeeper. For me, that's hell. For other people, it's freedom. It's total freedom. But so what I'm getting at is I'm not trying to judge. Okay? By the way, I just want you to understand this. Like I say certain things suck and certain things don't. That's because that's me. That's my opinion. That's my feeling. If you love bookkeeping, have at her. Go nuts. Great. But the accountant success formula is not for you. If you don't and you feel like you want to do more for your clients, then the accountant success formula would be fit for you. But let's get to the gist of what I'm trying to get to here. It's because I'm talking about your freedom. This is personal to you, what you love to do. And I've seen for myself, my life has been a struggle of trying to get to a point of freedom. So now I got a certain amount of freedom in my life. Like you can see the ocean in the background there. So I had a coaching session this morning, had this incredible breakthrough. And then I went for a dip in the ocean and had a hot tub and got ready. And now I'm shooting this video and then I'm going to have some more coaching sessions. I've kind of framed my life around the freedoms that I want for myself. What's the freedom that you want for you? I want you to know, and I really, really want you to know that if you got an accounting practice and you're feeling trapped or struggled and you're not feeling like you're free to do what you want to do and do the type of work you want to do it with the people that are going to pay you the kind of money you want to make, you can change it. It's totally changeable. We're not held down to this oppressive business model. I personally, when I had my accounting practice, I didn't even know there was a way out. Like that's the thing for me. If anything, I want to let you know there is a way out and you can have your freedom back and you can do what you love to do. Maybe, just maybe, it's not accounting. Maybe you don't even want to do tax returns anymore. You don't want to do financial statements. You don't even want to do anything with that. You want to do personal coaching or you want to go do music or whatever your passion is and your freedom is, great, go for it. But if it's in the accounting realm, I want you to start thinking about it and going, I don't like this stuff. I don't like doing X, Y, and Z, but I love doing ABC. Well then, X, Y, Z, get rid of it. Stop doing it, focus on ABC, and you will make more money. I guarantee it. Especially if you use the accountant success formula model, the methodology, the thinking tools to start building the life that you want for yourself. I call the accountant success formula the path to freedom because it worked for me and it's worked for every single business owner that I've worked with, because we find out what makes you tick, what you love to do. And once you find that, you will deliver it to your clients and you won't feel like you're working anymore. So I want you to have the freedom that I experienced when I changed over my model. I want you to have it in your accounting practice too. So if you're at all interested or curious about the accountant success formula model and how it may help you, please reach out. I'd love to have a conversation to see if it's a fit. If not, I'll send you where I think you could go to get some help and some freedom, because ultimately I believe all CPAs deserve more from their profession. And the profession has done a hell of a job of holding us all down and brainwashing us into thinking that tax time just has to suck. It doesn't, okay? So anyways, again, reclaim your freedom. What's freedom to you? Think about it, write it down, contemplate it, and then again, if you're interested, reach out, give me a call. I'd love to have a chat with you. So there you go. I'm Eric Solbach, and reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.